Well, welcome back to a farm west of boring, where life is anything but boring. As many of you know, we had a big pine tree come down through our roof. Pine tree used to be right there, and now it's over our roof. Spent the last 3 days working on this, trying to get that thing off of there and get the big huge hole in the roof buttoned up. And I think we're doing pretty good, but it's supposed to start freezing rain here in a couple hours, so we've got a little bit more work to do. Well, it's pretty snowy here in Damascus at the Bi-Mart. Roads are pretty well iced up in the parking lot, but out on the street it's not too bad. Well, it's 3 o'clock, a little after 3 o'clock on Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday, January 16th. And ice storm is supposed to be coming in from that direction, from southwest. Yeah, we're supposed to be getting an ice storm coming in. It's still not real breezy yet, but here's where we stand as far as the tree removal goes. We've got the hole covered up, and I've got a tarp up over the chimney and covering up the major part of the damage here. You see there's the butt end of that log. We were supposed to have a crane coming this afternoon to lift the rest of that thing off of there, but it got canceled, I guess. The first job of the day ran too long, and so they're not coming out today. So that's fine. I think we're going to be pretty well set for keeping most of the water out. Yeah. What do you think, Jonah? I think we're going to keep most of the water out. I hope so. I don't know if we should do something about that limb that's stuck out down over there. I don't know what we do with it. But there we go. There's the... You can see down right in here, this is totally collapsed. This is the walls underneath here, so the joists in there have flopped down, which then raised this outside edge up. I think we're gonna be okay. So this is what it looks like up on this side. And we've got a piece of plywood at least on here, and some roofing down there, hoping that that'll keep some of the water out. It's the best we can do for now, I guess. But there's the, can't see it very well. There's a big limb sticking out of there, so I think we cut that off and then put some foam over the top of it. We might be able to keep the water out of there. I don't know.